Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a very practical utility that I recently developed using Spring Boot and Java 21. In many organizations, teams receive multiple Excel files from different departments, branches or systems. Manually consolidating these files into one master sheet is time consuming, repetitive and error prone. So I created a utility that automatically reads multiple MIS files and consolidates them into a single predefined format Excel file. This utility works through a REST API and we can trigger it easily using Postman or any HTTP client. Let's first understand the problem. Imagine you receive daily MIS reports, sales reports from multiple branches, operational data from multiple systems. Each file follows the same format but contains different records. Normally, a person has to open each Excel file, copy the data, paste it into a master Excel, ensure formatting and consistency, remove duplicates or blank rows. When the number of files increases, this process becomes extremely complicated and tiring. That is where automation helps. Let's understand how the utility works. We place all the Excel files in a specific folder. We call a REST API endpoint. The application scans the folder and identifies all Excel files. Each file is processed sequentially. The data from all files is merged into a single consolidated dataset. Finally, the system generates a new Excel file in a predefined format. The best part is that this utility can read any number of files, whether it is 10 files, 100 files, or even 1000 files. Let me highlight some important features of this utility. Unlimited file processing. The application can read and process any number of Excel files. Predefined output format. The final consolidated file always follows the same structure format. Automation. No manual copying or pasting is required. Error reduction. Automation minimizes human mistakes. Reusable utility. The same approach can be used for many other Excel data processing tasks. Simple deployment. Since this is a Spring Boot jar, it can run easily on any server or local machine. Use cases. This utility can be used in many real-world scenarios such as sales MIS considerations, banking transaction reports, branch-wise reporting, operational dashboards, data migration tasks, bulk Excel processing. Basically, any situation where multiple Excel files need to be merged automatically. In this example, I have 20 project Excel files. Each file contains project data where column B represents the metric name. Let us see sample file. You can see that column B contains metric data like sprint stability index, user story acceptance. All data is sample data generated by Excel formulas. The automation utility reads all these files and create consolidated Excel report when each sheet represents specific metric and the sheet contains data from all projects for that matrix. This makes metric level analysis across projects very easy and automated. In this folder, you can see there is a start.bat file. This file is used to start the project. And this one is the consolidated MIS001.snapshot jar is the utility file. So we will start by clicking on start.bat file. And this line suggests that utility is started. Now we will go to the Postman. It requires 4 parameters: input file path, sheet name, output file path, and output file. Let us start by clicking on Send button. You can see that everything is generated on your command prompt for your log. Each file, you can see that each file is generated with name. So after completing process, each file will show like this. Now it started generating sheets. look at this output.xlx is our file name and it generated file name. Let me open this file. You can see the column project name, milestone, index value, and you can see here that all the sheet names have been generated. Let me maximize. Before we close this video, I want to share one important perspective. The utility demonstrated today is not just a simple Excel tool, it represents how automation and custom software solutions can transform repetitive business processes. It is faster, more accurate, and at significantly lower operational cost. Solutions like this can integrate with enterprise platforms such as SharePoint, shared file systems, or internal data repositories for automatic file pickup, processing, and reporting. This means the entire workflow from file collection to consolidated reporting can become fully automated. If your organization is looking to streamline reporting processes, automate Excel-heavy operations, or build custom data processing utilities, feel free to connect with me for exploring automotive initiatives or consulting support for similar business challenges. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more practical automation solutions in upcoming videos.